Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 10 in OpenBox channel. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of your OneDrive is not starting or OneDrive is not opening. So hopefully I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. So first of all, you just need to search bar and search for edit group policy. Edit group policy. And you can see there's a edit group policy apps here, so just click and open that up. Now you have to go to the administrative templates here. Just click on the arrow here, the left arrow here. Then you have to click on the Windows components. Now you have to find here the OneDrive folder here. You can see there's OneDrive folder here. Click on it, and now you have to choose prevent the usage of OneDrive for file storage, and if it is not configured here, you need to make it disabled here. So double click on it. Now this window will open up and you just have to choose the disabled option here, then click apply and OK. Now just close out of here, then just go to the start menu and try to restart your computer, and hopefully that will solve your problem after restarting Windows 10 device, and hopefully you will able to start your OneDrive software. So that's it guys, this is a one method that will help you to fix your OneDrive not opening in your instant device. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.